Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the snack pan rail in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open out the package, you're going to get a new snack pan rail. This left side snack pan rail is located in the middle of the fresh food section, mounted at the bottom of the glass shelf. It supports the snack pan, allowing it to slide in and out. The main reason to replace it is if it breaks and won't stay in place and the snack pan is loose. To get to the part, I need to open the fresh food door. To get to the rails, we need to remove the shelf, but first I'm going to pull out this pan. Slide it out, lift up, and remove. Alright, now I'm going to pull out the shelf. I'm going to pull up the front end and slide it out. And I'm going to lift the left side and remove the shelf. Okay, let's set the shelf on the table and I'm going to turn it over. Next, I need to remove this single Phillips screw. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver. If you guessed, you're right. And don't throw away the screw. We're going to use it. Okay, now where the screw is out, we can slide this rail forward to release this end, and I'm going to pull it out to release the other end. This is the old snack pan rail next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now I'm going to install the new rail. I'm going to slide this the rear end first into the opening. Then I'm going to slide this front end in. And I'm going to secure it with this Phillips screw. And now we're going to install the shelf into the fridge. Alright, so we're going to install the shelf back in. I'm going to slide the right side and bring the left side in, and I'm going to press it down. And now we're going to slide it all the way in. To install the snack pan onto the rails, we're going to place this rear end on. Now we're going to leave the front end up, and now we can slide it in. And now when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.